Everyone, Formanar Angelo here for my understanding the self class, and I wanted to share about the importance of this core subject in my future career as a future aquaculture. Now, aquaculture might seem all about fish farming, but it's much more than just feeding and harvesting. It's about understanding the delicate balance of ecosystem, managing rest, and making sustainable decisions. And that all starts with understanding myself. In this field, challenges are inevitable. Diseases, fluctuating market prices, and environmental challenges can all impact my work. Having a strong self-awareness helped me identify my strengths and weaknesses. Am I patient enough to monitor fish health? Can I handle the pressure of meeting production targets? Understanding my personality, emotional responses will help me navigate these challenges effectively. Aquaculture is a collaborative field. I already have experience in taking care of fish in raising the fish pond, starting from preparing the pond until harvesting. Having high emotional intelligence is crucial for building strong relationships, communicating effectively, and resolving conflicts. It allows me to understand and empathize with others, leading to better teamwork and more successful projects. Resilience is a key in aquaculture. Setbacks are bound to happen. It could be a disease outbreak, a natural disaster, or even a failed experiment. Understanding my own coping mechanism, practicing self-care, and maintaining a positive mindset will help me bounce back from these challenges and continue to strive for success. So, while understanding the self might seem like a personal subject, it has a direct impact on my future career in aquaculture. By understanding myself, I can become a more effective, resilient, and successful aquaculturist. That's all everyone. Thank you for watching this video.